A secluded estate on over an acre of land, this private compound is like nothing you've seen in Windermere, Florida. Imagine the lifetime of occasions you could celebrate here, like a kid's birthday party or your holiday events. This custom 5-bedroom, 6-bath home was designed for entertainment. Perhaps this season of life finds you needing 2 primary bedrooms with ensuite, both located on the first floor. Foodies will delight in this gourmet kitchen. Want to host the girls for a wine and cheese tasting? Perhaps a pizza cook-off with the kids? Or a cozy night in. This open floor plan is perfect for any family gathering. From the soaring ceilings to unique floor plan, every detail is designed to create a luxurious and inviting space. And with 5,400 square feet, there is plenty of room for everyone. This home has plenty of space to accommodate all of your family and friends, no matter how many. Want to see all of the possibilities this home has in store for you? Give me a call today.